Okay, y'all. As y'all can see, my motherfucking awning then fell off in the windstorm from last night. And I'm really, really, really pissed off because I don't even know how to fix this shit. I just, we got to clean it up at least, okay? Everything is down. So I got to get this cleaned up and I'm about to take y'all along with me, okay? Come on. Bitch, you rip so easily, break it, but bitch, you want to have a hard time ripping them out. It's crazy. I'm out here trying to rip this on and off. Now I don't want to rip. God damn it. Put the fuck down. Oh my God. Y'all see what I gotta go through? Y'all see this shit? Do y'all really want to live in an RV? Let's get this last shot. Keep it on, baby. Bitch, come on. Oh my God. I'm not. I'm trying to get this last piece of thing down. You know, we can't get shit done without our handy dandy gloves, okay? Because at the end of the day, I'm still a bad bitch. And I want to be the baddest, okay? I can't break a nail. I can't break a nail. It's going to hurt. Okay, so we got to get this on and up. We had a real bad wind and rainstorm the other day. So now I'm about to get this cleaned up, get this done. And we're going to get the party started, okay? Let's go.
Tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but they pour when I'm thinking about
1 week later.
Hell yeah, I'm putting this shit on camera. Oh, he tagging the cars.